database serve as a backbone for computer applications, providing its sophisticated features. And the key features include distribution, authorization, and transaction for efficient data handling. And durable data storage ensures the integrity and availability of information over time. Without databases, many modern applications would struggle to manage because of its process of vast amount of data. Yeah, the second point is why database security is important. Database security in crucial time is very much important as it prevents the financial losses, and it also safeguards the sensitive data and privacy of the authorization. And unauthorized access can lead to data breaches and affecting the reputation of the organization. And it is very much pivotal to robust security measure to protect against evolving cyber threats. The third point is synopsis of access control. Yeah, access control act as a strong barrier against cyber risk by regulating user interactions with the database. It involves user authentication, ensuring the identity of individuals accessing the system, and authorization specifies the level of accesses granted to authenticated users. Yeah, the fourth point is development of access control. Access control in recent time has evolved a lot, responding to various cyber threats. Its development reflects the increasing importance of security data and systems, and continuous advancements in access control mechanisms show the ongoing efforts to stay ahead of emerging threats. Finally, access control is the integral part of cyber security strategies across different industries. The fifth point is pay attention to authorization and authentication. Yeah, authentication is a process of verifying the identity of users, ensuring the ensuring only authorized individuals can access the database. Uh, yeah, biometric choices, multi-factor authentication, and traditional passwords are key elements for authentication, which every organization use. Auth- Authorization defines what actions authenticated users are allowed to perform within the database. And understanding and implementing effective authorization and authorization techniques are critical for a security procedure. Let's move on to the key points. And these are my key findings from my research. And I think these 5 points are very much crucial and important in my research. And the first point is importance of database access control. Yeah, database access control is a primary defense against illegal accesses, safeguarding sensitive information and ensuring data integrity. Some of the key elements of database access controls are encryption, access control, and security standards. I think these are vital for maintaining the safety of the database system. And effective access control measures are crucial in preventing unauthorized access and protecting variable data assets. The second point is crucial principles of database access control. Yeah, I had listed uh, some of the principle. The first principle is the least privilege principle, which minimizes risk by restricting access to what individuals need for their roles. Authorization and authentication are fundamental security measure, with multi-factor authentication enhancing uh, security. Uh, Access control based on the second point is crucial principles of authentication, access control, which is ABAC, and access control based on attributes, considering various factors for access decisions, while access control based on roles, RABC simplifies its management. Yeah, let's move on to the third point, and obstacles and things to think about. Yeah, insider threats pose challenges to database access management, emphasizing the need for monitoring tools and staff awareness campaigns. Active assaults aiming to alter or corrupt data require advanced security techniques and heightened alertness. Yeah, and navigating legal platforms and ensuring compliance with the data protection requirements present challenges in globalization and environments. And moving on to the fourth point is the research about future direction for access control in databases. Integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning can enhance access management by anticipating and preventing the security breaches. And moving on to the fifth point, and it is the last key point from my research. It's like future direction for access control in databases. And database access control remain important for protecting sensitive data with evolving concept and process, and prospective development like the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning on the ongoing efforts to enhance access control protocols, and these emphasize the significance of adapting access control to address new challenges and future technological developments. And I have also listed homomorphism encrypted data, which allows computation with the description and decryption, improving data security and privacy in cloud computing. Yeah, let's move on to the fifth point. And in this, I had emphasized the significance of uh, adapting access control tactics to address new challenges and future technological developments. Yeah, and these are my uh, five key research findings from my research. Let's move on to the conclusion. Yeah, these are my concluding points. And the first one is basic ideas. Yeah, division of responsibilities. Database access control involves assigning and managing responsibilities among users to ensure proper data handling. And in this, permissions are very much important, which defines the actions users are allowed to perform within the database, safeguarding against the unauthorized access. And moving on to the obstacles and approaches, the challenges that access control system confront, including ever-changed threat landscape and scalability issues, and some of the other insider threats. And we just need to draw some attention to the ongoing need for approaches that combine security with a user efficiency in the way which that work for a variety of approaches. Moving on to the next point, access control based on rules. And it is an important principle I had listed in my key findings too. And importance of RBAC in maintaining strong organizational structure is very much important for the responsibilities and hierarchies for security administration. And lastly, the dedication to safety. Yeah, safety is very much important in handling databases and giving accesses to the datasets which you have, and I'm just highlighting how crucial it is to maintain a commitment to and flexibility with changing access control tactics in order to successfully negotiate challenge accesses conditions. Yeah, concluding by underlining the continual need for adaptation in the field of access control to ensure the ongoing safety and integrity for sensitive data. And we need to express a commitment to maintaining a secure environment, acknowledging the dynamic nature of security challenges and the dedication to evolving strategies to meet these challenges effectively. Yeah, thank you.